Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Mac Miller type beat, specifically inspired by his track Only Way. First, let's break down the essential elements that give this style its unique, laid-back vibe. We'll explore the smooth, jazzy chord progressions and the signature relaxed drum patterns. Understanding these foundational components is key to capturing that authentic sound. Get ready to dive into the creative process. Next, let's focus on the drums. Choose a classic boom-bap drum kit to get that warm, vintage sound. Program your kicks and snares with a relaxed, slightly swung feel, adding subtle ghost notes to your hi-hats for extra groove. Don't forget to layer in some dusty vinyl crackle or tape hiss. It really helps to create that lo-fi, nostalgic atmosphere. Now for the melodies and samples. Look for jazzy, soulful samples that have a warm, slightly melancholic tone. Experiment with chopping these samples creatively to build new melodic phrases that feel both familiar and fresh. Complement your samples with a simple, yet effective, piano or Rhodes chord progression to add depth and harmony to your beat. Finally, let's add the bass and some finishing touches. Create a smooth, deep bass line that perfectly complements your chord progression, providing a solid foundation. Apply gentle compression to glue all your elements together, making the beat feel cohesive and full. Mix your track with a focus on warmth and clarity, aiming for that slightly vintage, laid-back vibe that defines Mac Miller's sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.